Hello traders, and welcome to another video analysis of the Ethereum to the Tether at Zondacrypto. Today is Wednesday, March 20th, 2024. Let's take a look at the daily time frame chart of the Ether to see what is going on here. The first of is that we will mark our last swing high located at 4,085 Tethers as the technical resistance, right? And then we are going to count how much we already drop. So if we place our price range tool from the top here, let me just take it again. There you go, price range, and from the top to the bottom, you can see that we are down almost 25% already. Now, where are we heading to? It looks like we are heading towards this level here, which is the low from the March 5th, 2024, located at the level of 3,000 Tethers. The local low was made at the level of 3,069 Tethers, so it's not that far away from the key technical support. Let me just make it a little bit thicker so everyone can see this situation. All right, we know that we are down 25%, almost 25% from the swing high located at 4,000 and 4,000. Let me just switch it to the red. There you go, 4,085 Tethers. Now, what is the situation with the RSI? So let me just apply this RSI indicator here. You can see that we came off the extremely overbought conditions finally, and now we are around the level of 40, which means that there is still some room to the downside on the RSI, so we should see some kind of a downside movement again very shortly. In terms of the overall correction, let's see how much we've made already. If we apply the Fibonacci retracement, I guess that the low might be indicated here and the high might be indicated, of course, here. And we already know that we just retraced 38% of the recent up wave. Let me just play a little bit with my Fibonacci tool. So I will just leave the most important levels on the chart. So there you go. Now you can see that we have retraced 38% with ease. That level was located at 3,105. There is 50% retracement located at 2,085, and that would be the next target for the best if this low is violated. And then there's 61% located at 2,506. All right, so this is the level. Those are the level of the retracements that might be hit, of course, if the correction would have to deepen for any reason, right? Nevertheless, it looks like this is the corrective wave to the downside. We are waiting for it to be completed and then terminated so the market can reverse and resume the uptrend, of course, going way above the 4,085 Tethers level. The first indication that the market is going back up and is resuming the uptrend would be the breakout above the level of 3,675 Tethers. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.